Hello friends. Welcome to Purushotam Academy. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications regarding our videos. What is tardigrade? Tardigrade, also called water bear or moss piglet, any of more than 1,100 species of free-living tiny invertebrates belonging to the phylum Tardigrada. They are considered to be close relatives of arthropods, example, insects, crustaceans. Tardigrades are mostly about 1 mm (0.04 inch) or less in size. They live in a variety of habitats worldwide, in damp moss, on flowering plants, in sand, in fresh water, and in the sea. In adapting to this wide range of external conditions, a large number of genera and species have evolved. Tardigrades have a well-developed head region and a short body composed of 4 fused segments, with each segment bearing a pair of short, stout, unjointed limbs generally terminated by several sharp claws. The animals have no known specialized organs of circulation or respiration. The tardigrade's body cavity, hemocoel, is filled with fluid that transports blood and oxygen, the latter of which diffuses through the animal's integument and is stored in cells within the hemocoel. The alimentary canal traverses the body from end to end. Most plant-eating tardigrades feed by piercing individual plant cells with their stylets, spear-like structures near the mouth, and then sucking out the cell contents. A few tardigrades are predatory carnivores. Tardigrades may reproduce sexually or through asexual reproduction, by means of parthenogenesis or through self-fertilization, hermaphroditism. Eggs are discharged either into the posterior end of the alimentary canal or directly to the exterior through an opening in front of the anus. The most remarkable feature of the tardigrades is their ability to withstand extremely low temperatures and desiccation, extreme drying. Under unfavorable conditions, they go into a state of suspended animation called the toon state, in which the body dries out and appears as a lifeless ball, or toon. In this state, their metabolism may decline to as little as 0.01% of its normal rate. Tardigrades can survive as toons for years, or even decades, to wait out dry conditions. Tardigrades are easily distributed by wind and water while in the toon state. Please subscribe to Purushotam Academy for more videos.